What's up, blockchain? Daily news, long version. Okay, let's jump right into it. ADA, Doge, and SHIB can now be sent and swapped at more than 6,000 ATMs through this feature. Pretty cool. Mortgage default movement sparks in China. Mortgage default movement sparks in China. That's bad. You can transform the world with blockchain. Yep. Equity's first owes crypto lender Celsius $439 million. Celsius Network's depositors may not get their money back, warns economist. Spanish crypto exchange Bitbase expands to Latin America. MetaMask founders admit putting your money in crypto is gambling. No, it's not gambling. Putting your money in just any crypto without doing your own research first, that's gambling. But crypto in itself and Bitcoin, that's not gambling. Not more so than the fiat financial system and stocks. As the cryptocurrency industry grows at an unprecedented pace, the co-founders of one of the most popular software crypto wallets, MetaMask, their opinion is that putting your money in crypto is gambling. I wonder why they're saying that, because that's not true. Latin Americans are the most bullish about cryptocurrencies. A new report from Ripple shows that Latin Americans prefer businesses to accept cryptocurrencies rather than other types of payments. It's a trend that can be seen. Interesting. Bitcoin and Ethereum gain momentum. Market turns green. Not for long, my opinion. See the disclaimer at the end of the description on my videos. Not financial advice. This undervalued DeFi altcoin is primed to rise to astronomical heights, according to Coin Bureau host. A widely followed crypto analyst says decentralized borrowing and lending protocol Aave is bound to surge once the bear market is over. Okay. Pseudonymous Coin Bureau host Guy tells his 2.08 million subscribers that Aave remains undervalued during the current market downturn. It's good to know, very good to know. Make a note for myself. Okay. I agree with that sentiment. TDAO announced rewards for contributing to its community from anywhere in the world. What is TDAO? Earn rewards for contributing to the TDAO community from anywhere in the world. A metaverse reserve currency protocol based on the T token that aims to solve the NFT liquidity shortage. Announced the launch of its contribute and earn feature. Wonder what's NFT liquidity? Is it? That's interesting. Bitfinex donates 36 BTC to El Salvador. Top altcoins for summer 2022: Solana, Gorelix, and Radium. I'm not so sure about Gorelix, but Solana, Sol, and Radium Ray. Okay. French deputy says France is pro-business and should welcome crypto innovation. Bitcoin purchasing app now functional on 175,000 ATMs across the United States. That's good. Ethereum devs pencil in September date for merge. Ethereum's merge event has a new launch date after network developers laid out a fresh timeline for testnets and updates. So when is it? In September. That's awesome. Tezos co-founder says it is completely unsurprising Celsius would go bankrupt. Yeah. It's happened again. I wonder why it keeps on happening. Let me just get back my place. Central African Republic set to launch Sango Bitcoin sidechain. So it's part of the country's crypto initiative sidechain. That's happened again. Weird. Stablecoin regulation ramps up across the globe with new BIS guidance. The guidance comes shortly after the European Central Bank (ECB) released a report on stablecoins and financial stability. The post-stablecoin regulation ramps up across the globe, with the new BIS guidance appears first on Blockworks. No comment. Celsius claims to be mostly solvent. The Celsius bankruptcy filing shows a confused team that appears to be mostly solvent but completely insolvent in process management. Bitcoin might reach a price bottom once these three factors align. What three? Okay. 3 Arrows Capital liquidators move to secure the company's liquidation assets. 3 Arrows Capital liquidators move to secure the company's Singapore assets. If Singapore's High Court approves the liquidators' requests, 3 Arrow Capital may have more assets sold off to creditors. Buffett and Munger are wrong about crypto, Kevin O'Leary says. Mr. Wonderful does not agree with Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, who describe the crypto as rat poison or an open sewer run by bad actors. Yeah, Kevin O'Leary isn't even a crypto savvy or crypto fan as far as I know, but he is investing in crypto, and he knows what he's talking about. MetaMask co-founder says investing in crypto is gambling. MetaMask founders warn that the crypto ecosystem they helped create is currently an unsafe casino prone to Ponzi-like operations and exploitation. Yes, there are projects that are doing that, definitely, that are guilty of that, definitely. Does that mean that it applies to the entire crypto space? No, not at all whatsoever. Therefore, their comment is not correct, inaccurate, and not savvy, not kosher. NFT artist DK's Twitter hacked, over $150,000 in NFT stolen. Twitter hacked. How can you steal NFTs from Twitter? That's the renowned Korean NFT animator DK Kwon has had their Twitter account hacked and exploited to perform a phishing attack early Friday morning. Okay. So they're probably not practicing security management in terms of the crypto wallets and stuff like that well enough. It's their own fault. Just like you have hacking outside of crypto, you will always have hacking inside of crypto. Inside of the crypto space. Crypto payments gain ground thanks to centralized payment processors. MasterCard, Visa, PayPal and several others have paved the way for crypto to be used as a tool of payment for buying daily needed goods. Yeah, hopefully the businesses at some point in the future will start accepting crypto directly so that a fiat on-ramp is not needed anymore. That will happen, just hopefully sooner rather than later. Ripple to settle SEC case, XRP lawyer draws hint. What? As Ripple vs. US SEC lawsuit approaches the summary judgment, the anticipation of cracking a settlement between the parties is on the top of everyone's head. Meanwhile, the XRP holder's lawyer has cleared the air over this dispute. SEC to declare XRP as non-security? Well, the SEC is corrupt. So it's actually criminals trying to label XRP as a security, because they will benefit then in terms of if they succeed in doing that. Oops, hopefully this doesn't happen again. Let's see. No, don't. Okay. Bitcoin USD finds technical support around 21,483. That was on the 10th of July. That's old news. Sorry about that. Yesterday's news. What's the date today? Yeah, yesterday's news, meaning below bears in charge below 20,000. Yep. For BTC, the insidious monetary system that blames its ills on crypto. Yep, I covered that yesterday briefly. Bitcoin USD tests 20,266 resistance on retracement higher. Yeah, you can't do too much technical and rely too much on technical analysis right now. GameStop NFT almost outperforms Coinbase in 2 days. The Sandbox teams up with Tony Hawk for Metaverse Skatepark. That is so freaking awesome. Crypto daily crypto and financial. Yeah, Celsius files for bankruptcy. JP Morgan Chase reports cost of Bitcoin production has fallen to $13,000. Billionaire who thinks Bitcoin may become worthless will buy if it gets to $12,000. Idiot. Okay, good idea to buy it at $12,000, definitely. But thinking it's going to become worthless, that's just idiocy. US Commodities and Futures Trading Commission adds 34 forex and crypto entities to its rate list. Oh, another maneuver from corrupt entities. French deputy says France is pro-business and should welcome crypto innovation. Tron, TRX and Polygon Matic investors buy D-Grain pre-sale tokens. This is interesting. What is this? Let me check this out later. Okay. Two crypto payment providers to look out for: Remuno and Nuvi. Two crypto payment providers to look out for is Remuno and Nove. I don't know what that is. Is it to use your crypto to pay? Or to be... I'm not too sure what it is. So I'm gonna have a look at that. Okay. 5i raises USD 100 million in Series A funding at valuation USD 1.5 billion, turns unicorn. Okay. Here are some intelligent investment choices for you to generate returns today. Uniglow, Glow, DYDX and Serum. I think it's good projects. I'm not sure about Uniglow. Bring profits to your portfolio in bear market with Knox, whilst Binance Coin and VeChain lose value daily. Yeah, they're going to rise and rise and rise eventually. VeChain is an awesome project. Logistics, blockchain. How Web3 logistics focused blockchain. How Web3 will aid in a new era of credential data ownership and user empowerment. Yeah, watch out for how the authorities are going to try and interfere with the privacy of that. Celsius market cap crashes 86% in year-to-date basis as company filed for bankruptcy. Why this Cardano-based lending platform records a 20% up in total transaction volume. Data from DeFi Llama records a massive increase in the total value locked of Fluid tokens, a Cardano-based lending protocol. Mid-cap crypto coins lead in July, best way to weather the winter. While the crypto market had succumbed to the winter, there are some digital assets that have refused to be dragged down with it. I think NFTs are gaming, NFTs, metaverse are doing a sort of a small comeback at the moment. Bitcoin managed to hold its own as Wall Street opened with losses, analysts weigh in on bottom. While American stocks plunged at the opening of Wall Street on July the 14th, yesterday, Bitcoin escaped losses, but traders remained uneasy. Yep, be careful. Cardano ADA trades sideways after losing major support. Will the current support hold? It's mostly following Bitcoin's movements, so whatever Bitcoin does, most altcoins will also do, with exceptions here and there, due to factors related to those altcoin projects. Okay. A breakout above this level could help Polkadot recover on chart. Still, altcoins will behave not exactly like Bitcoin currently, so they will have their own movements, but overall you will see the graphs don't look that much different from Bitcoin's higher time frame graphs. Alright, ApeCoin performance lags behind other altcoins. Here's what happened to Ape. ApeCoin Ape, the Bored Ape Yacht Club Collection's native token, has been continuously falling since the June slump. Yeah, it's a good project though. Torches, the lending protocol on KCC, opened stop mining with up to 900% mining rate. Torch Finance, the decentralized lending protocol, announces the official launch of TOP, Torches Point Token mining. Okay. Market update, Matic, Uni, and Aave outperforms while Bitcoin struggles to hold above 20k. Matic is a good project, so is Aave. Uni as well. Okay. Summary of the contagion event that brought on the bear market. Yeah, that was mostly outside of crypto. Well, a combination of Terra Luna and outside of crypto macroeconomic factors. CoinShares unveils staked Algorand ETP on Deutsche Börse. UK Treasury launches inquiry on crypto-related risks and opportunities. USDC issuer Circle discloses its reserves, proving their liquidity and availability. Okay, Ethereum, they have to. Ethereum jumps 8% as latest merge shadow fork goes live. Good. MetaMask founders, called the crypto space casino prone to Ponzi schemes. Certain projects, not the entire crypto space, exactly like outside of crypto. Bitcoin eyes 21k, Ethereum skyrockets 11%, and another shadow fork went live. Yeah. 200 million in liquidations as crypto markets add $60 billion in a day. Liquidators of 3 Arrow Capital seeks to preserve Singapore assets. Buffet and Munger are wrong about crypto. Yes, we covered that. Celsius Network depositors may not get their money back, warns economist. DeFi token Aave faces major correction after soaring 100% in a month. Yep, probably. So I would short it then as soon as it starts correcting, but not financial advice. Okay. How crypto adoption could help Sri Lanka amid recent turmoil. Sri Lanka is facing its worst economic crisis. A member of parliament reveals plans to impose digital currency payments. Tron founder Justin Sun said he can leverage Web3 to help the country get out of bankruptcy. Yep. The Ethereum merge finally has a date, but there's a catch. Ethereum developers who are working on implementing the merge have now provided a concrete date for the move to proof of stake. According to a recent developer call, the Ethereum mainnet is now set to roll out the merge in the week of September the 19th. This will come after one more testnet. Okay. 3/4 of financial institutions expect to use crypto more in the next 3 years. They better, otherwise lose to their competition. US and South Korean investigators will exchange data while Terra probe proceeds. JP Morgan claims drop in Bitcoin production cost is negative for BT price. Okay, so next one. Quantum Generation and Plato to deploy a space-based quantum network by 2027. Quantum Generation, a space-based decentralized banking, exchange, data storage, and social platform, announced today with Plato, an open intelligence repository and platform that curates the latest data intelligence, that the two teams will deploy a decentralized space-based quantum network by 2027. The qubit blockchain from Quantum Generation was the first testing node launched to low Earth orbit in 2018 on SpaceX, and was the first generation of blockchain to engage in the space race and quantum space revolution. Currently, the schedule is to deploy Plato's blockchain nodes in the first quarter of 2023. Conducting transaction via satellites will provide an even higher level of security and decentralization to distributed ledger technologies blockchains, including the Plato and qubit blockchains. Consequently, the quantum infrastructure is protected against any physical intrusion. That is so awesome. Okay. Oops. Mixin wallet bot launching on Telegram with support for 41 blockchains. Wow, okay. Blockchain identity passport platform Quadrata raises $7.5 million in seed round. OX API introduces slippage protection to enable best execution routing for DEX trades. Blockchain app ecosystem Unify launches decentralized arbitrage solution Darby. DeFi protocol TrueFi launches first stablecoin portfolio with loans managed by WooX. Ethereum L2 exchange Diversify transforms into multi-chain gateway Rhino.fi. Quantum generation and Plato to deploy a space-based quantum network by 2027. Okay, we covered that. Best 5 Bitcoin gambling strategies for maximum profits. I don't support gambling. What do players adore about Mr. Bet? Who's that? Bit2Me introduces its new crypto payment gateway for e-commerce. Okay, that's cool. Crypto exchange CoinCola implements new KYC system from OnFido. Gnosis Safe raises 100 million led by 1KX to grow its crypto custody solution, rebrands to Safe. Blockchain identity passport platform Quadrata raises $7.5 million in seed round. Okay. And let's see. Kraken Daily Market report for yesterday, July the 14th. A little bit late, but probably time zone. Okay, so daily spot, this is for yesterday, the 14th of July. Okay. Top 5 traded coins yesterday: Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD Coin, Polygon, Matic. Okay. Strong returns from Radium, staking returns, I assume, Starfi Protocol, and Quant. Okay. It's the end of the long version of today's daily news. And please hit the bell button and subscribe if you haven't yet. Your support is appreciated, and share my channel with your network if you don't mind.